The support that the college provides and the opportunities you get to expand qualifications is just second to none.
The staff members there treat you like you're one of them, and you don't really feel like a student, you more feel like you're part of a team.
Oh, the staff have been great from day one. Since I started at level 2 in Crossland C to when I started in Bangor, they've watched me grow from a little kid to a man.
We have such a diverse range of learners. We've got, younger people all the way up to elderly students that are in retirement age. And I think what makes them really special is they all come with their own journeys, their own experiences and their own uniqueness.
Mae o'n fraint cael astudio yn y Gymraeg a astudio adra a yn y gelfyddydau hefyd. Dwi'n teimlo bod o'n mor bwysig yng Nghymru ar hyn o bryd.
It's great to have students that have been brought up locally to stay here, to learn, get opportunities for their future and then to have their experience and their careers here as well.
Higher education has made me very much more confident in how I feel and how I do things in my day-to-day.
Yeah, I would say higher education has changed me. It's helped me develop my skills, not only in the academic way, but in the social way as well.
One of the best experiences I've had at the college was just working with the tutors. They were all very welcoming and they helped me out a lot in terms of getting accustomed to North Wales, the way things work here, the language, especially in terms of networking.
One of the things that students give feedback on that's positive is the sense of community at the college. We often have small group sizes, typically around 12 to 16 students in a group, which is something that the students value. They feel that the tutors really know them.
Oedd y staff yn anhygoel, fysa fi'n gallu gofyn am gwell. Oedd nhw'n nabod ni, a oedd ni'n nabod nhw.
What I like most about teaching and supporting the students is the individuals themselves and the stories that they bring. For me, I get such a wide breadth of students, different backgrounds, different ages, different ethnicities, and it's just great to see that melting pot of people develop and become something new and something special over time.
I think there's lots of reasons to choose Llandrithfa. I think that people don't necessarily want to go away, they don't want to travel long distances to study their degrees. We have slightly smaller cohorts. I think it's a much more personalised one-to-one. We can really help people reflect on their strengths and develop the areas that they need help with, but we can give them lots of support to do that.
Higher education is important is because it changes lives. It's not just about learning, it's about careers. Our higher education offer at the group really supports people to go on into really high rewarding, high valued careers. It supports students, it supports the economy, and it supports our employers, and it supports our communities.
I think at Group we have so much support available for learners. We've got a massive range of courses that are available that really offer unique learning experiences to students, whatever they want to study.